What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my bedroom tour in my studio. So this is a video that I've been meaning to share with you guys since forever. The wall that you see behind me was painted 1 year ago and this room took so long to come together. If you remember, this room used to be the Simba warehouse and finally now that we have a warehouse, this can actually be like a bedroom, more so like a set for me to shoot videos, to be honest. But I'm so happy with the way this room turned out. It's so colorful. It is very me, a little bit too bright for my liking, but I don't mind it because it looks very pretty in videos and pictures. Just giving you a heads up, this video might not have the best audio quality because there's construction going on. Both of my neighbors have some construction going on, so there might be some hammering and some drilling that you might hear, so please excuse me for this video. But I think let's just get started with the tour of this bedroom. But before that, I do want to explain to you guys how we painted this wall right behind us 1 year ago. Yes, we did paint the whole thing. A quick story about this wall. This I painted in my studio as well. The first studio, remember? Usko bhi maine yahi same paint kiya tha, and I painted it and then we had to literally move out within the next few days. So I couldn't really share that with you guys. So I saved that and I wanted to use it in this room because it just looks so pretty. So I did a trial test run in the studio and then this is the final outlook. So this is how we did it 1 year ago. So the first step is going to be to mask out the entire wall, kind of map it out. So for this you're going to be needing some masking tape. You can buy this easily for 15 to 20 rupees from any hardware store. We ended up needing at least 3 of those because the wall was quite big. Depending on your wall, take a call kitne you want to buy. So as for the measurement, we went for 3.5 inches, the width of each stripe of color. So we were using this tape as a scale almost, so that we stay inside the lines. One thing to remember is that if you have any sort of leakage on your walls, this might not necessarily work for you perfectly, because in the end when you'll go to peel out the tape, papdi bhi niklega saath mein wall ke saath. Hamare saath bhi thoda sa ye hua. So make sure leakage now, otherwise it might just end up looking really bad towards the end of it. So this is probably the hardest part. After this, everything is super easy. Make sure that the lines are straight. Obviously, you don't want to have crooked lines. I don't have a tip to give you. I just honestly just eyeballed it. So yeah, this took us I think at least 2 hours to do. Now comes the fun part, the colors. I'm gonna actually make sure to leave the colors that I use personally. All of these colors were from Asian Paints. The exact name, I'll leave them in the description box below. And of course, you're also gonna be needing a sponge. I went with this roller sponge. This I think was for 70-75 rupees. And before we started painting, we just marked each patch so that we kind of maintained the color scheme. The color scheme we were going for was teal, lavender, yellow, pink, blue, and then the same thing again. And I think that's basically all. We all designated each color. I was painting pink, Aditya was doing blue, Adya was doing yellow, and I think Mayur was doing teal. So we just randomly started painting and this was done within 30 minutes. वो भी मैं ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ. I think 15-20 minutes में we were done with the whole thing. And finally, the most satisfying part, which is to rip the masking tape. Now do not do this immediately because otherwise the color will kind of seep out. So make sure to do this after at least 24 hours. You'll get really nice crisp lines after which. And that's basically it. This is what the final look looks like. So this is the door that you enter from to the bedroom. Now the door isn't very pretty, but it's not too bad. So I haven't done much to it. I don't really hang anything behind the door, so which is why it's empty. Now this is what my table looks like, my side table if you will. It's a bar cart from IKEA. I will link it down below for you guys. And then there's just a frame which says do what makes you happy. Uske baaju mein I've kept this stand. So basically this stand, I showed this to you guys in my closet tour as well. So I just keep my phone on top of this and it's just very convenient. And then I have this cute little bear that my... And then I have this cute little bear that my mom actually got for me when I was really little. She got it from this Lufthansa flight, and I keep it here on my nightstand because it's very cute. And then in the bottom two compartments, I have these trunks. These are Simba Lifestyle trunks in the cotton candy color. I'll actually show you what's inside these. So this is what the first trunk looks like. Firstly, there's a small dibbi with ajma. If you have like a stomach ache, or it's just good for digestion basically, but I use this more so when I have my periods, so I keep this here. Then I have my eye mask, which I wear when I go to sleep. Then I have my glasses. I do wear contacts throughout the day, but of course at night I tend to wear my glasses, just a lot more comfortable. And then I have some scrunchies just in case I don't have hair tie on me. This I can use. And then I have a pouch which just has my basic skincare. So firstly, I just have a lip balm because it's so dry these days, you need a lip balm. Then I have my nail glue. I swear I have nail glue in every part of the house because I wear like fake nails, so it's just nice to have this everywhere. And then I have my nighttime serum. This is the Mamaearth Retinol face serum. So I use both of these products together, the Mamaearth Retinol face serum and the face wash also. I've actually made a detailed video wherein I show you how I use it. I'll make sure to link that in the description box below. I'll leave the link also of the products in the description box below. This is what the second trunk looks like. This just has a bunch of books. So this has my 5-year journal. This is from Simba Lifestyle. Basically, it just has like a different question every single day for you to answer. So this is something that I like to use every night before I go to bed. So it's nice to have it right next to me. And then I just have a bunch of books that I want to read. This is the one that I'm reading right now. It's called Good Vibes, Good Life. Pretty good. It's a very easy read. And then on the right hand side of the wall, I've actually kept it very simple. So basically it's just like a flower wall, mini flower wall. Do you remember I had that brick wall in my parents' place? So this is kind of like that. This is a DIY that I'll share with you guys in an upcoming video. And this is my laundry basket. This used to actually be in the walk-in closet, but it just made a lot more sense to have it here because the washing machine is right there. So this is where it sits. This is also from IKEA, by the way. And then I have my bean bag. This is from Amazon. I have the same one in the living room as well, and it's so comfy, so I just got one here because I didn't know what else to put. So bean bag yahan pe hai, and then here I have a big window. This actually opens up all the way and you can see my balcony. By the way, I do have an entire balcony tour, so I'm not even going to open the curtains and show you what sits behind the doors. It's very pretty. You have to check out that video, and I'm very proud of my balcony. So yeah, let's just move on to the other corner. So balcony ke right hand side pe we have this cute little blue couch which actually matches really perfectly with the blue on the wall. So really complements the whole look. This also I got from Amazon. Actually, this I bought for my studio. Do you guys remember when I had my studio? This I got wahan ke liye, but then the day I got it, we ended up moving. Like we figured that we had to move. So for the longest time, I didn't know where to keep this, and it just goes really well. And then curtains. By the way, all the curtains are from Amazon also. And then I've just kept this fur cushion, which is a DIY that I made like years and years ago, and I still use it. By the way, this is like a sofa cum bed, so you can open it up and sleep. So it's very convenient if someone comes over. I have lots and lots of room for everyone to sleep. Now coming to the main wall, I know you guys must be excited the most about what's happening here. So you guys already know the story behind the painting behind the wall, as I explained in the beginning of the video. This is what the bed looks like. I got this from IKEA. I think this bed was for 11,000 something like that. And then the mattress on top is from Sleepy Cat. This is the best mattress ever. Very comfortable. The bedding as always is white. I really like plain white bedding. If you guys want a link, I'll leave a link of these really pretty silk cushions, and I've also thrown this like pink blanket just for like a pop of color. This actually my mom got like years ago, so I can't link that for you, but that's basically it. I've kept the bed very plain, very simple. I've already explained ye wala table. So moving on to this shelf. So this is a Billy bookshelf which is also in my walk-in closet. I keep all of my bags there. I don't know what else to do with this and I've just like kept random stuff on this, like Polaroid rakh diya hai maine, bags rakh diye, candles rakh diye, vases rakh diye, and yahan pe niche maine chart papers rakh diye, which is useful. I do need chart papers all the time, but I just think it just brings everything together, and there are so many like colorful elements, so ties the whole room together. So somehow I've forgotten to shoot the outro So here's me saying goodbye. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you guys thought about it in the comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.